Hi RJ, and welcome to How to Build a Computer with your daddy. All right, so go ahead and get started. Here is the case. It is a Cooler Master Trooper, and if at any point you want to pause the video or have any questions, just go ahead and write them down and let me know. Send me a text, and we're gonna go over just the overview for this video of everything that's gonna be in the computer, and then we can do other videos going into more detail for each item. So we have the MSI Black and Red Z170 Alpha Gaming M7 motherboard, which is a very nice motherboard. We have the Black and Red HyperX Savage RAM and the Core i5, which is the 6th gen processor, the 600 watt power, and the Samsung SSD solid state drive, right? 850 EVO M.2. So it's a very small hard drive in terms of size, but it holds 500 gigabytes worth of information. More than enough room for all of your stuff. And as you were probably wondering, the MSI, it's also black and red. It's the GTX 960, 4 gigabytes of DDR4, and it is a GeForce GTX 960. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started. That's all for this video, and hope you like it. We're gonna be doing this. I'm going to be doing several videos explaining which item goes where and how to put it all together. Okay.